Need a shifter that can take some serious abuse? Our Pro-Gate shifters from B&M were designed for just that. The compact and lightweight design of the Pro-Gate won't cramp your style or add any unnecessary weight to your vehicle. You'll get positive shifts when you're banging through the gears thanks to the rugged shift stick made of 1018 cold-rolled steel and the 304 stainless externally gated shift plate. The shifter base is just as beefy with its 10-gauge black oxide 304 stainless steel construction and heavy-duty 303 stainless steel shift pin for longevity and bulletproof performance. A 5-foot rear exit Super Duty race cable is included and transmits your gear selection from the forward pattern shifter housing to the transmission selector shaft. A cable bracket, shift lever, and all necessary hardware are included for a quick and easy installation. This shifter kit includes all cable brackets and selector levers required for use with Chrysler's A727, A518, A904, and A500 automatic transmissions, as well as the Ford's C4, C5, and C6 transmissions. It will also work with Ford's AODE, AODE, 4R70W, E40D, and 4R100s when you purchase the appropriate B&M bracket and selector lever kits, which are sold separately. The shifter housing features thick injection molded nylon side covers with a knurled texture and the B&M Pro-Gate logo embossed on both sides. The covers are removable for easy access to the virtually maintenance-free shifter subassembly. The Pro-Gate is an ideal choice for off-road racing since it won't gum up with dirt and affect your shifting performance. The Pro-Gate shifter is ideal for racing but does not include a neutral safety or backup light switches. For street use, we recommend adding B&M's Pro-Gate switch kit for added safety and peace of mind. For more information on a Pro-Gate shifter or to see our full line of shifters and shifter accessories from B&M, visit us at Holley.com.